All right, guys, today we're working on a Tesla Model Y. This is a little DIY video, how to remove the mirror. First, we're gonna start off with opening the car. Next, we have to remove this interior door panel. On this interior door panel, what you're gonna need is a T25, just like this guy. I said they were T25, but actually T27. We're gonna have one T25 up here. There's a second one right over here by the dome light in the door. And then the third one, you actually have to pop this cover off right here to access the third. All right, after pulling out the last T27, you want to go ahead and you want to start pulling the interior trim off the door. Then we come over here and we disconnect this light. Then we come over here, we'll disconnect this connector. And we got this connector and then the little speaker connector. And this whole door shell will come loose. And that, folks, is how you pull off the door shell. All right, guys, to remove the mirror, we want to come back here. We got 10 millimeter here. We got a 10 millimeter behind this guy. So right down here, you can see it. And then we got another one that's gonna be right back here. And what you wanna do, you wanna take your hand back here. You wanna pull it forward like that. And that removes the shield. And there you can see the third 10 millimeter. It's gonna go ahead and pull those off. And then you'll wanna fire this or follow this wire loom down into this connector right here. You just wanna disconnect it like that. That's number 2. We got number 3, and you want to hold on to the back so the mirror doesn't just fall out and crack on the ground. And then what we'll do, we'll come to the back side, we'll start wiggling it. There we go. Then you want to feed the wire loom back through the hole. Boom. There you go. You have your mirror successfully removed. Super easy. Disconnect the wire loom. You have one bolt hole there, second there, and then we got our third one right there. And boom, that mirror comes out. Super easy. All right, folks, now we're gonna reinstall this door. Here's the door cable. What you gotta do, you gotta put it in just like this on an angle. Then the cable will spin around the bottom just like so. And then this guy will slide right into those grooves. And then you push down and now it's back in. Easy, so easy. So as I get you guys lined up, then we're gonna put this sound. Oh, you know what? Okay, and then it has this like white sound deadener that we're gonna put back into position. All right. Now what we're gonna do, we have a series of pins here on the back. That white one, we got a black one, another black one. You wanna line them up with these holes. And then all you really do is you just snap it right back into position. You wanna put it towards the top because there's a little edge up there. You wanna slide it, into position. So this top side, you wanna hook it in on this windowsill. Then you wanna come over and make sure all these little pins fit in position. And snap everything back into place. All right, so now we got our 3 bolts right here. They are, I said they were T25, but actually T27. So you want to make sure you get the right Torx. It's a T, so it's a Torx 27, and that will fit perfect. So we're going to start with this side one right here. This Torx 27. Now you feel it. Now it's snug. Now we're gonna come over here. The guy right under here. I like to put the screw on the T27 beforehand. Looks like we can do a little bit of fishing up here. There we go. Snug her up. And then this last piece, we got this guy right here. It kind of fell out, so we'll put this right back in position. There we go. So that will just clip right back in. Then we're going to take the T27. We're going to tighten this. There we go. Then last but not least, we have this red reflector. You can see right there it says up. So that being said, we put that way up, then we just snap it right back into place. There we go, folks. We took apart the door, put it back together, and we took off the mirror. Super easy. Anyone can do it. If this video was of help, please like and subscribe to the channel.